If you want something fun to crochet for St. Patrick's Day, then stick around because I found over 30 crochet patterns that you're gonna love. Hey friends, my name is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. This is where we embrace our crochet ADHD and have a blast doing it, so get ready. So I found over 30 crochet patterns for St. Patrick's Day and they are a mix between amigurumi and some wearables. Okay, so this first one is $11.51 and I believe there's a keychains and I thought this was great. So it has a little beer mug on top of it and the little leprechaun and it comes with two different ways to do it. So I thought that was really cute. Okay, and this is like a 3-in-1 pattern, and it is 3 hearts, and it is $17.26. Seems a little steep, but, probably worth it, I'm not sure. I do like the little hat that goes on top of the heart, that's probably my favorite one. These are probably absolutely great to have for St. Patrick's Day, and I absolutely love this one, these little lips. These would be good to do not even just for St. Patrick's Day, but you could make little lip keychains anytime. It is $15.82, but I love the little four-leaf clovers on it, and it's just great, you know, kiss me because 'cause I'm Irish, and I really do like these lips. Okay, and these are more, like St. Patrick's Day gnomes, I guess, and they are $8.65, and I absolutely do love it. I love that the beard is, like, almost like a little flower, so it's definitely different. It's probably pretty beginner friendly too. And this is a car charm, and this is $6.48, and while I'm on the subject of car charms, the second video, or maybe it was even the first video I ever did here on YouTube was all about car charms, and I had showed you guys what I had made, and it just occurred to me that I've never actually done a pattern roundup for car charms, so that will be coming soon. But I really do like this one. Like I said, it's $6.48, and it just looks like you just wrap it around your rearview mirror hanger, and it's got the little top hat, and I love that. And this little leprechaun is $6.13. It is a perfect little keychain and it looks definitely fun. You could do the hair any way you wanted to. You could even add a little beard if you wanted. And this is a gnome. I'm not sure how big this guy is, and he is not in my gnome roundup video. But and speaking of that, if you guys have not seen that, I have a all about gnomes pattern roundup video that I did because I was just obsessed with gnomes for a little bit there and I have a whole bunch of them. So if you haven't seen that one yet, I will link it above and below. So definitely go check that one out. And this is a just a little leprechaun pattern. So if anyone likes making like stuffies, you know, like dolls, like plushies, this one might be a good one to do. It looks absolutely pretty soft. It is $6.05 and I like it. And this little St. Patrick's Day cow is absolutely to die for. I love the Highland cows. I think this is absolutely cute. And it's got it in two different ways. So it's got the sitting cow and the standing cow. And so I thought that was awesome because, you know, you never know which one you're going to want to make. It's good to have variety. And these are little leprechaun kitties, okay? And these were the cutest things ever. I really love them. I love their ears, how they're sticking out. It's absolutely cute. You got the top hat and the gnome hat, and it is $9.50. Absolutely worth it. I think that this is just the cutest thing ever. And I love that the ears are different colors. I just love this. It's absolutely adorable. I just wanted to pop in here real quick and tell you guys that I've reached my goal and I got my first affiliate marketing partnership program thing, and it is with a company called Bernie's Best. Bernie's Best is a company right here in the USA that makes science-based supplements for your dog. Some of you guys know that I have a dog and his name is Ruger and he is a border collie kelpie. And last year we found out that he has invertebral disc disease, and which is like extra bone growth on his back, and it causes him to have some flare-ups sometimes, and it gives him like this bow look and he's in so much pain. And the doctor recommended I give him like fish oil, like omega-3s and stuff like that. But honestly, comparing all the different brands and supplements was a little bit overwhelming, and I ended up just getting fish oil supplements and cutting them open like the gel ones and pouring them on my dog's food, and it was just a big old mess. So instead of giving him that messy fish oil, I found this clear, powerful option, and I'm really happy to share it with you guys. Definitely strong enough to match that fish oil that he needs without the mess or the stink. As soon as I opened it up, he was like all about it. He caught a little whiff of it and he came up sniffing around and he was so excited for it. And now every day when I go and give it to him, he just runs right up and does an automatic spin and he's like, "I'm ready." He starts wiggling. It's so cute. The first time I gave it to him, I thought he was just going to chew it all up and everything, but he took it from me and went down the hallway and he was just like, "I'm going to test this out. I'm going to see what this is." He was interested in it and he loved it. And then he came right back for another one. So I'm absolutely really happy to be treating my dog with something that is going to help them out in the long run, and it's less mess on my hands. So if you guys have a fur baby that you just want to make their life a little bit easier and give them something that's going to help them feel better, definitely check out the link in the description box below. And if you use my code strings and things, the letter N, I'll put it on right here, all one word, strings and things, you will get 20% off for new customers. So, and I get a little bit of a commission for that. So I just definitely want to let you guys know that. But I'm absolutely excited to share this with you guys because it is the first opportunity I've ever had for a partnership marketing affiliate program. It's absolutely one I'm happy to share with you guys and one I absolutely am backing 100%. And it's one that is helping us enrich our lives and my dog's life to the fullest because I want him to be happy and healthy for the entire time that I have him with me. And this is going to help. So definitely go check it out. Okay, and if you guys have not seen my video where I had AI make a pattern for me, then this is going to be completely new for you. But let me show you these two pictures, okay? This is a leprechaun pattern and it is $9.13. And it threw me off at first, okay? Because obviously the top picture is completely AI, and that is the advertised picture on Etsy that she's using for the listing. And I clicked on it because I was like, why? Why? This is obviously AI, right? Obviously. But then I went and looked at the reviews, and there are actual review photos. So the one on the bottom is a review photo. So that makes me think that it's an actual pattern. Maybe they just enhanced the picture with AI, which I do not understand why you would do that because I would pass this right up normally. I would think it's fake. I wouldn't even click on it. So if anyone purchases this, please let me know if it is a legit pattern because the fact that there are like review photos down there and it looks pretty similar makes me think that it's a legit pattern. But I want to apologize in advance if it's not. But I did want to just kind of compare this because this is pretty amazing. If you have not seen that video where I see if Chat GPT can make a pattern, definitely go check that out. It was pretty fun. I had it make a duck, a pretty derpy duck if you ask me. So go check that one out. And these little four-leaf clovers are adorable and they're perfect. I actually really love the rainbow one. I thought that was really clever. I probably wouldn't add a face, but I really do love the rainbow one. That's my favorite. I would turn these into a keychain or even like a catnip toy. And this is a two-in-one St. Patrick's Day bunny pattern. I do love this. I think that that little mustache is just hilarious that's on it, and it's not something that you see every day. It's absolutely unique. And this is a three-in-one pattern. It has the four-leaf clover, the rainbow, and the pot of gold. And so, what's perfect, more perfect than that? And it's free. So I thought that was great. And you can turn each one of these into a keychain if you wanted to, or just leave them for decor, or maybe even put like a long chain on them and use them for like a car charm. That's what the words I was thinking of. And this little snail guy is $4.04 and it's absolutely cute. I love it. I've seen some really cute and clever snails. Cute and clever. We're back to that. Okay, but I do love it. It's got the little top hat on it and it's absolutely cute. And I believe everyone has seen those like pop-up mushrooms, but have you ever seen the pop-up shamrock? Okay, this one is $7.56 and I thought that this was awesome because it pops up and so like a little fidget crochet toy, right? I thought that was great. So and I guess those pop-up marsh marshmallows, mushrooms were very popular. So this is probably going to be really popular too and it's no-so. So perfect. And this was like a whole set, okay? It comes with like the donut, the cup, the hat, the four-leaf clovers. I absolutely love this. You could have like a little tea party, a little food party with your kids if you wanted to. It's $8.56 for the whole set, and I thought that was a great price. And this little bird, okay, I've never seen anything like this. This is really just, it's very dainty, and I love it. And I love that it has like little bells for the feet. That is just so cute. It's very elegant looking. It is $2.20 and it is absolutely one of a kind. I've never seen anything like this. Very unique. And this little doll right here is $9.77, which seems like a really good price for this because that is amazing. It absolutely looks like there's a lot of work that goes into this. But I love the curly hair and everything about it. It's absolutely just so precious. Okay, and this is the leprechaun cactus. Not that this was really ingenious, definitely one of a kind. It is $5.50, and I've never seen anything like this. And I think that beard is super funny. I think the whole concept of this thing is super funny. And they actually put it in an actual clay pot. That's hilarious. Okay, now we're gonna get into some wearables. And this first scarf looks like a lot of work, and I think this would actually be really good if like you're learning how to do the grid work type stuff. It might still be cold enough to wear it for St. Patrick's Day, so definitely make it if you feel like it. And this is called a Lucky Green Moss Stitch Scarf, and I thought that it was really clever. Honestly, it kind of reminds me of Blue's Clues, like the shirt that the guy was wearing from Blue's Clues, right? Just with the stripes and everything. But I do like the touch of the four-leaf clovers on the tassel. That's something you don't necessarily see all the time, and I thought it was really unique. Okay, and this one is $3.80, and it's giving like Celtic knot vibes. Definitely like Irish or Scottish vibes. So I'm not sure. I'm also not sure if it would be good with tassels on the bottom because it is rounded on the edge. So this is probably perfect the way it is. I don't think that you're going to get bored making this. It looks like a lot of intricate work. And this is a crochet shamrock cowl. Say that 5 times fast. This would look really cute with like a little black dress or something. I don't know. It looks really soft and everything. I can imagine this being just keeping you warm and cozy and just dressing up any cute little outfit that you have. Okay, and this little crochet St. Patrick's Day beanie and hat, it is a 2-in-1, so it shows you how to do both of them. And I believe it comes with 3 different sizes. So that's awesome. And I believe the one that's like the square, that's going to be like the super easiest thing to do. And I love the little tassels that come out. That's just absolutely precious. Okay, and this little bucket hat is $5.50 and definitely worth the price. I believe this is pretty beginner friendly, honestly. And I've made hats like this. They're absolutely cute. Okay, this puff stitch hat is $4.71, and I think it adds a nice design to like an ordinary hat. I do love the puff stitch. I think it adds a nice texture. And I honestly think that this would look really good with like a white or a gold pom-pom on the top. Call me crazy. And this is another 2-in-1, and it comes with both patterns. So I thought that was awesome. I love the little beret. That's probably my favorite. And I love the little button that they put on there and the little buckle on the other one. This is a perfect pattern. They did great making this. And this is a top hat. How many times do you see a top hat? It is $4.73 and it is perfectly made. I want to say this. This is like it's got the Mad Hatter shape all down. This is great. I love this. Okay, and this is the four-leaf clover granny square, and it is just a square, but I figured, if once you could make this, you could make a cardigan, a bag, anything. And I love that the four-leaf clover is like actually made into the square. It's part of it. It's not just added on top. It's great. This is another four-leaf clover square, and I thought this was really interesting. I saw this done in like pinks, and all of the little petals were made to look like hearts. So Valentine's Day or St. Patrick's Day, change the colors and use it for either or. And this is another four-leaf clover granny square. I had to include a few of these, give you a few different options so that you could make whatever you wanted to. You could turn these into a cardigan. You could even mix and match some of them, do it like a little fun little bag or something like that. Don't forget to wear green for St. Patrick's Day so you don't get pinched. Do people still do that? If you like this roundup, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the other ones I do, because that is my bread and butter on this channel. You guys love it, and I love giving them to you. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite and which one you plan to make, because I want to know. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next one. But remember, above all else, Jesus loves you.